So we take these. Take one. Stick your strawberry. Stick it through the strawberry.
Hey, here.
Yep, give me that.
Is it strawberry?
Mm-hmm.
The strawberry.
Stick it like that. Yep, all the way in.
Yeah. Now dump it.
Dip it. Dip it all the way. Don't eat it yet. Just cover it in chocolate. Like this, look.
Oh.
See how Mommy did it? Then you take it out and you put it on here. So dip it all the way around. A little more than that.
I did.
Okay, now put it on the table, on the thing. Yep, put it down.
Okay. And we need this one too.
Yep, do that one.
Oh, Mommy can't do this. I put this. I can't put this.
So do this. Mix it like that. Now pick it up. Ooh, Mommy will do it. Hold on.
There. There.
You want to do a little one?
There's more.
Here you go.
There. There's more, Mommy.
Here, do it.
Oh.